Hello dear students, I am going to describe about the grading points, how you can calculate grading points into percentage. Today I am talking about how CBSE has introduced grade points. Different educational institutions and universities introduces different system of grading points. Therefore, CBSE has introduced their own grading system. I am talking about the latest grading systems awarded to the students of class 10 and 12 examinations. And I will show you how you can calculate your grading points into percentage. Especially in recruitment, this percentage is very essential, and many students I have seen that they cannot calculate the percentage from their grading points, and even the authority also become confused what kind of grading system has been given to the particular students. So I will show what is the system of grading point awarding in CBSE courses, and I will show you the formula how you can convert grading points into percentage. Here I am showing a page from the NET CBSE grading system 2021 for class 10 and 12. For awarding the grades, the board will put all the past students in rank order, and the board will award the grades to the students according to the table below. Now we can see a table below. Here all the students are divided into 8 groups. Top 1/8 is awarded grade A1, then grade A2, next 1/8, then B1, B2, C1, C2, D1, D2 and E. E means fail candidates. Here is another table. Marks allotted to each grade. Grade 1, marks 91 to 100, grade point 10. 81 to 90 marks, A2 grade point 9. Like this, 71 to 80, B1, 8 points. And 61 to 70, B2, 7.0 points. Like this, 51 to 60, C1, 6.0. Here is the formula for how to calculate percentage from CGPA. This is CGPA, or cumulative grade point average, is nothing but the statement of subject-wise performance in the certificate of a continuous and comprehensive evaluation, that is a class 10 certificate. Grading system in CBSE CGPA is an average grade point of a student. Total grade point divided by 5, that means 5 core subjects. Now, how to calculate CGPA? This is the formula to convert CGPA into percentage. CGPA, sum of grade points obtained in 5 main subjects, /5, that means by 5. So this is average. So in order to calculate the percentage, follow the formula as below. Now you see, this is a simple formula, CBSE percentage calculation formula, CGPA into 9.5. This is the formula. So I will give an example. Let me take a table. Here is another table I have prepared. Give you the examples. C. Grade A1, marks range 91 to 100, grade point 10, and the formula is CGPA into 9.5. This is 9.5. This is 9.5, and it stands for 95%. And A2, 81 to 90 marks, 9 point grade point, and it will be 85.5%. Now If we see that 91 to 100, if it makes 95%, so 81 to 90 marks, it should be 85%. But according to the formula, when we apply the formula, it will stand on 85.5%. That means 5.5% increases as we go into lower grades. So again, in the B1 grade, you see 71 to 80. So if we see this A1 grade, in the same way, if we calculate in the same way, it should be 75%, but here it stands for 76%. Now 1% increases, 1% more than A1 grade. And in this way, in every lower grade, 0.5% increases. Now A2, 85.5, B1, 76%, but B2, 66.5%, again 5% increases. So in this way, you can calculate your percentage and convert CGPA into percentage by applying the formula 9.5. Now you have seen the formula, and you can put the formula into your marks and convert the grading points into percentage whenever necessary. Thank you.